Aloha from the beautiful island of Maui. My name is Ray Chin, and I'm your real estate consultant from Maui and All Points, Hawaii. And this is my new listing at the ridge of Kapalua, unit number 2223. This beautiful two-level condo offers 1 bedroom, 2 bath, and is spread across 1,150 square feet of living area. And the views, the views are undescribable. So you're just going to have to take a look at it. Please take a moment to view this property because you will love it. I hope you enjoyed the video because this is truly a spectacular property. For more information on this or any other property in Hawaii, just contact me. It'll be a pleasure to serve. Aloha and mahalo.